Hi, I know you're feeling down right now. You're feeling lost, alone, and like you don't belong. I want you to know that you're not alone. Everyone feels like this sometimes. We all go through tough times in our lives. But it's important to remember that these times don't last forever. I want you to think about the people who love you. They're there for you, even when you don't feel like it. They care about you and want to help you through this. I also want you to think about the things you love to do. When you're doing something you love, you forget about your troubles and just feel happy. And finally, I want you to think about the future. There's always hope for a better tomorrow. I know it's hard to see right now, but things will get better. You just need to keep going.